Good morning, everyone. I'm Bliss and I absolutely love my job. I'm a plumber, officially known as a low carbon heating support engineer, installing heat pumps for Octopus Energy. Every day, I get to help regular people enjoy the benefits of cheap renewable energy in their homes while contributing to the UK's goal of net zero. I take pride in my work, and as someone worried about our climate, I feel really good about the change I'm helping to deliver. But it's been a journey to get here. When I left school, I didn't know what I wanted to do. I signed up to uni because that felt like the traditional route to a job, but I didn't enjoy it and couldn't see a career after study. I cut it short and decided to do what makes me happy. Becoming a plumber wasn't easy at the start. It's hard to get work if you haven't been an apprentice, and some companies don't create the opportunities for those starting out that Octopus has. But the rewards on the other side have been worth it. A couple of weeks ago, I did an install for a retired couple. It wasn't an easy job, and a bit of problem solving was required. Each day, they cooked us a different lunch, which was so generous. And on the last day, I bought them flowers to say thank you. And that's what gets me out of bed each morning, is helping people. You hear a lot of stories about heat pumps, but most of them are not true. For me, it's not a competition with gas. It's just what saves on bills and what saves the planet. I'm already seeing people's attitudes changing in just the space of a year. People are much more supportive. So, Prime Minister, my message today is to keep going with the clean energy mission. There are so many more heat pumps we can be installing, and they make such a difference to reducing our emissions. So thank you for making this agenda happen. Thanks for supporting clean technology, and thank you for supporting jobs like mine. I know we're making a real difference, and this is why I'm delighted to introduce today the Prime Minister Keir Starmer.